Hey y'all, welcome to NM Off-Road. On this channel, we're going to be posting, doing drifts in the beautiful state of New Mexico. Today we're out here doing drifts, just cruising the trails, and we're going to take you guys with us, so stick around. So here's a little drift spot we found. It's nice and flat. You know, we don't see very much traffic out here. And we got the buddy pulling up. He's been out here doing some drifts. We got Santana on the Raptor 700 out there somewhere. He's just cruising these trails. And yeah, we're just gonna get some clips, do some donuts, do some drifts, and get some trail riding and take y'all with us. You should be fine.
Oh, that's fine, fool.
Oh shit. Rose just bending that back. Holy.
Be alright.
How you feeling today, Dylan?
Tired? Yeah, cold.
The weather affecting you?
Nah.
Affecting your professional skills in any way, shape, or form?
Hey, shit.
Just out here.
Let's go.
How about that? What are you doing, Santana?
Just warming up because it's kind of cold out here, bro.
It is. It is. It's nice out though.
Yeah.
It's a nice one out today. I will say we got the 900 out. We're swipping it. We got the Raptor 700R. It's out here cruising.
Pretty soon you're gonna see this shit fucking ripping, bro.
Yes, sir. That's what we like to hear. We done riding today or what? Just gonna chill?
I'm not done either. You're not done? You coming back to get a quick snack and shit, you know?
That's how it
About
be.
to click my ass.
This fool.